Big Bud 747. When it comes to size, nothing beats the Big Bud 747. Built in 1977 in Montana by the Northern Manufacturing Company, this tractor was designed for a single purpose: to be the most powerful farming machine ever made, and it delivered. At its core is a massive Detroit diesel V16 engine with 24 liters of displacement. The output? A jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower, putting it on par with small locomotives. Torque exceeds 4,000 Newton meters, allowing it to pull 80-foot wide field implements with ease. It's equipped with a heavy-duty 6-speed manual transmission. Power is sent to all 4 wheels, which are fitted with custom-made 8-foot-tall tires, so rare that replacements had to be specially manufactured in Canada decades later. Measuring over 26 feet long and nearly 16 feet tall, the Big Bud weighs about 100,000 pounds. Seeing it in person is surreal. It dwarfs even the largest modern tractors with ease. It spent decades working on massive cotton and wheat farms across Montana. Today, it's retired, but still fully functional and displayed at agricultural expos and museums. The most remarkable part? After nearly 50 years, it still holds the title of the largest farm tractor ever built. If that blew your mind, the next machine doesn't just move dirt. It crushes concrete like paper. Letourneau L2350. Built by Letourneau Inc. in the United States, the L2350 isn't just a wheel loader. It's the largest of its kind ever built in the history of modern mining. Since entering operation in 2008, this massive machine has been the driving force behind some of the world's largest mineral extraction projects. It's powered by a turbocharged 16-cylinder diesel engine with a staggering displacement of over 106 liters. That's right, more than 100 liters. It delivers 2,300 horsepower and a monstrous torque output of over 9,000 Newton meters. Despite weighing nearly 230 metric tons, it can still reach top speeds of over 30 kilometers per hour. The transmission is a 4-speed automatic, built to handle extreme loads with smooth shifting that maintains machine stability even on uneven terrain. It features 4-wheel drive with a central articulation system, allowing it to maneuver in surprisingly tight spaces for a machine of its size. Its physical presence is jaw-dropping. Measuring over 20 meters long and 8 meters tall, the L2350 is equipped with a front-loader bucket capable of lifting up to 70 tons in a single scoop. That's the equivalent of lifting 10 full-sized pickup trucks at once. The sound of the engine is a deep growl mixed with a turbine-like whine that can be heard from hundreds of meters away. This machine is a key asset in large open-pit mining operations where speed and high-volume loading directly impact productivity. Instead of using multiple smaller machines, a single L2350 can get the job done more efficiently and with less logistical effort. Its significance is such that it earned a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest wheel loader ever built. And here's a fun fact. The operator's cabin is so high off the ground that reaching the seat requires climbing a ladder over 4 meters tall. But hold on, because we're about to leave the surface and go deep, literally. The next machine dives into the earth like it's on a mission to reach the planet's core. 9RX710. Launched in 2023 by American manufacturer John Deere, the 9RX710 is the company's most powerful and advanced tractor yet, built for high-demand, large-scale farming. It was specifically designed to handle extreme agricultural environments, like swampy soils and vast fields where regular tractors fall short. Under the hood, it runs a 6-cylinder inline Cummins engine with 15 liters of displacement, delivering a staggering 710 horsepower and over 3,000 Newton meters of torque. That's more than enough muscle to pull massive implements across long distances without losing traction. It features an automatic transmission with smart gear control to improve fuel efficiency on extended runs. The 9RX710 also comes with full-time 4-track drive, using rubber tracks to ensure constant grip and stability on uneven terrain. With an overall length of more than 23 feet and a total weight of over 44,000 pounds, this tractor commands attention. Its deep engine rumble and muscular frame give it the presence of a military-grade vehicle built for the field. The 9RX710 is used in large-scale operations across the US, Brazil, and Canada, where efficiency and output are everything. It reduces working time dramatically while boosting productivity. And here's something interesting. It can be monitored and operated remotely via the internet. A glimpse of how digital tech is revolutionizing agriculture. Impressive, right? Now wait until you see the tractor that still holds the world record for the largest ever built. Hitachi EX8006. Built by the Japanese giant Hitachi Construction Machinery, the EX8006 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators on the planet. Introduced in 2013, it was engineered specifically for large-scale open-pit mining operations where high-volume excavation is constant and intense. This colossal machine is powered by two V16 diesel engines, each with over 30 liters of displacement. They deliver a staggering 3,100 horsepower and more than 13,000 newton-meters of torque, providing relentless digging force even in the harshest terrain. Its top speed is around 1.2 miles per hour, just enough to reposition between work zones. The hydraulic transmission is built to handle intense workloads over long hours. Its steel-reinforced tracks distribute weight evenly, keeping the machine stable during heavy loads and steep inclines. Standing over 30 feet tall and nearly 50 feet long, the EX8006 weighs more than 800 tons. Its bucket holds up to 45 cubic meters of material, over 80 tons per scoop. It can fill 3 massive haul trucks in a matter of minutes. Its engine emits a deep, thunderous growl that resonates across the job site. You'll find this monster in places like Australia, Canada, and Chile, where it replaces multiple smaller excavators, cutting down operational costs and increasing safety. The operator's cabin is fully climate-controlled, sound-insulated, and equipped with advanced performance monitoring. And here's something you might not know. Hitachi allows full customization of the bucket, depending on the type of ore. Whether it's wet, abrasive, or dense, the EX8006 adapts. Thought that was massive? Take a breath. Because the next machine doesn't dig, it demolishes with raw power. Metso Locotrack LT1213S. Straight from Finland, the Metso Locotrack LT1213S is a tracked impact crusher that looks more like a mobile industrial plant than a piece of equipment. Built by Metso Outertech for heavy-duty applications like concrete recycling, urban demolition, and quarry work, this beast defines mobile crushing power. It's powered by a Caterpillar C13 diesel engine, a 6-cylinder unit with 15 liters of displacement, delivering over 500 horsepower. Torque exceeds 2,000 newton meters, keeping the impact rotor spinning through hours of intense material reduction. An automatic transmission with electronic torque control keeps everything running at peak efficiency. Its steel track drive allows it to crawl over uneven terrain, loose rock, and even thick mud without losing grip. This 65-foot-long machine is a fortress. Its steel compartments look like armored vaults. When it's in operation, the noise is deafening, a relentless metallic roar as rock after rock is pulverized into gravel. You'll find the LT1213S on job sites building highways, bridges, and major infrastructure. It reduces raw material on site, cutting transport costs and speeding up project timelines. Despite its brute strength, it's packed with sensors and automation tech to maximize productivity. And yes, it can be controlled remotely, allowing the operator to stand safely away while concrete gets shredded in real time. Think that's big? Next up is the largest wheel loader in the world. Casagrande B470 XP2. Made in Italy by Casagrande, the B470 XP2 is a next-generation rotary drilling rig built for deep foundations and complex urban excavations. When construction requires extreme depth and precision, this is the machine engineers trust. It's powered by a turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine with 24 liters of displacement, delivering over 650 horsepower and more than 4,500 newton meters of torque. Designed for non-stop rotation in tough soil conditions. The transmission is fully hydraulic and fine-tuned for maximum depth control. The track system is built with high-density steel, ensuring stability and durability on rugged or uneven terrain. With the mast fully extended, the machine stands over 82 feet tall and weighs more than 265,000 pounds. The drilling sound is deep, steady, and resonant, like the Earth itself is being split open. You'll find the B470 XP2 on mega projects like bridge piers, skyscrapers, and subway tunnels. It can drill over 300 feet deep depending on ground conditions. Despite its technical purpose, it regularly draws attention at global engineering expos. And get this, one of these units ran non-stop for over 4 months, 24 hours a day, on a subway project in Turkey. And before we get to the 5 most extreme machines on the list, let me ask you, are you enjoying this tour through the world's most powerful machines? Then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Because from here on out, things get monstrous. Caterpillar 7495. The Caterpillar 7495 is an electric rope shovel built to handle the most demanding conditions in heavy-duty mining. Designed for large-scale open-pit operations, this machine was engineered for non-stop work, capable of running long shifts without compromising performance. Unlike traditional hydraulic excavators, the 7495 runs entirely on electric power. That translates into longer cycles, reduced mechanical wear, and significantly greater energy efficiency in high-output environments. Its electric drive system produces the equivalent of over 7,000 horsepower. Torque exceeds 20,000 Newton meters, allowing it to dig, lift, and move massive volumes of rock and ore with consistency and speed. The fully electric transmission is managed by advanced digital systems that automatically adjust power based on soil type and resistance. This results in smoother operation, less mechanical strain, and higher productivity per cycle. Traction is provided by ultra-reinforced steel tracks, engineered to support a total machine weight of more than 1,400 metric tons. This heavy-duty base ensures rock-solid stability, even when working at full capacity. Visually, the 7495 is a beast, standing over 30 meters tall with a boom that extends beyond 20 meters. It can scoop up to 90 tons of material in a single pass, all while maintaining impressive control and precision. This machine operates in some of the largest mines on the planet and is renowned for its durability, low maintenance costs, and exceptional output. Its all-electric system also supports more sustainable mining practices in high-demand operations. One standout feature is the remote monitoring system, which allows technicians to track performance data in real time and adjust operating parameters from a distance, helping to keep the machine at peak efficiency without interrupting work. Think you've seen the limits of industrial power? Get ready, because the next machine doesn't just impress, it holds a world record. Caterpillar 6090 FS. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is without a doubt one of the largest hydraulic excavators on the planet. Released in the United States in 2012, this machine was engineered to perform in the most extreme open-pit mining conditions, where every cycle must justify every gallon of fuel burned and every minute on the clock. To move this massive structure, it's powered by 2 V16 engines, each with a displacement of 32 liters. Combined, they deliver over 4,500 horsepower. Torque exceeds 15,000 Newton meters, ensuring a continuous and powerful performance during long and intense excavation shifts, even through dense rock and compacted soil. The hydraulic transmission is electronically controlled for fast and smooth response, giving operators precise handling over such a colossal machine. Its traction system runs on reinforced steel tracks built to support more than 900 metric tons, the full operational weight of the 6090 FS. Visually, it's a machine that demands respect, standing nearly 33 feet tall and stretching close to 65 feet in length. Many compare it to a moving wall of steel. Its front shovel has a capacity of up to 52 cubic meters, more than 100 tons per load. And despite its enormous size, the digging arm operates with surprising precision. You'll commonly find this giant at coal, copper, and iron ore mines, particularly in South America and Australia. Its efficiency allows operators to reduce the number of loading cycles per shift, optimizing production time and lowering fuel consumption per ton moved. One feature that often goes unnoticed is the level of sophistication inside the operator's cabin. It's fully isolated from dust and vibration, equipped with a high-performance air filtration system, climate control, and a digital monitoring panel that provides real-time data on the excavator's performance. And if you thought this machine was impressive running on hydraulics, wait until you see what happens when all that power comes from electricity. The next machine takes it to a whole new level. Big Brutus. Big Brutus isn't just an electric rope shovel, it's a legend. Built in 1963 by Bucyrus Erie, it served for over a decade in the coal fields of Kansas, and today stands as a monument to the golden age of American mining. Its electric drive system delivered around 7,500 horsepower. The torque allowed it to operate a massive boom and bucket system with pinpoint control, even at depths of over 60 feet. Mounted on extra-wide steel tracks, Big Brutus weighed approximately 11 million pounds. Its bucket could hold over 90 tons of coal in a single scoop, turning massive chunks of earth with every pass. It stood nearly 160 feet tall, about the height of a 16-story building. Yet despite its size, it was surprisingly precise, thanks to advanced control systems for its time. After retirement, Big Brutus wasn't scrapped. It was turned into a museum, where visitors can walk through its structure, stand inside the operator's cab, and experience the scale of machinery that once powered America's industry. And here's the jaw-dropping part. When it was moved to its final location, it wasn't dismantled. The entire machine was transported in one piece, requiring months of planning and coordination. 4,800 XPC. Engineered by Komatsu Mining, the P&H 4800 XPC is currently the largest electric rope shovel in existence. Released in 2018, it's the pinnacle of mining equipment design, built to move unimaginable volumes of material with unmatched power and efficiency. Its fully electric system generates up to 9,900 horsepower. The torque? Over 25,000 Newton meters, capable of tearing through even the toughest ground with ease. The electric drivetrain is digitally controlled, adapting to ground conditions in real time. The reinforced steel tracks support an operating weight of more than 3.5 million pounds. This giant stands over 50 feet tall and stretches 165 feet from end to end. The massive bucket can carry 65 cubic meters, more than 120 tons of material with each pass. It's the definition of heavy-duty productivity. The 4800 XPC is used in major coal, copper, and iron ore mines across the United States and Australia. It's so efficient that it can replace up to 5 standard excavators, dramatically cutting costs per ton moved. Inside the cab, the operator has climate control, vibration isolation, and multiple high-resolution monitoring screens. It's built for maximum output and comfort, even during 12-hour shifts. And here's a unique feature. It includes a full-scale training simulator used to teach new operators how to handle the machine virtually before stepping inside the real thing. Now we've reached the final machine, and it's not just powerful. It's a piece of American history. These machines weren't built just to impress. They were built to make the impossible possible. Each one is a monument to what human engineering can achieve when strength, precision, and endurance are pushed to their limits. From tractors that still hold world records to electric shovels capable of moving over 100 tons per scoop. What you've seen today are more than machines. They're symbols of progress. Which of these machines would you love to see up close? Which one amazed you the most? And if you had the chance to operate just one of them for a day, which would you pick? If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. That's how you help us grow and tell YouTube this content is worth showing to more people. Stick around, because every week we bring you news stories about the most incredible machines in the industrial world. See you in the next video.